Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. For the past couple of weeks, every time there has been a nice day out, I have been going outside and doing some outdoor jewelry photography. So I decided that today I'm going to take you along and show you what I'm doing. Now, it's an absolutely gorgeous sunny day today, and normally that would not be a good thing for jewelry photography, but where I'm going to be going is under trees, so there's going to be nice shade. All right, so now I'm in the forest where I'm going to take pictures. And one of the things I have to look for is a good spot that's going to provide enough contrast. Wire jewelry is notoriously difficult to photograph because there's usually an awful lot of texture going on in the piece. And so you don't want to put your pieces on something that's got a lot of texture behind it. So got to look for a place that's got lots of contrast but still is going to make for an interesting picture. Hello there, where's your human? So I'm going to experiment with two potential spots here. This one here and one over there. That looks cool. Oh, that's a nice one. The sun's hitting that in just the right way. I just caught it at the very right time because now the sun is too bright there. Oh, interesting. Okay, can she cross over here? Ooh, that's gonna be something. Carefully. Don't want to get wet, don't want to slip, don't want to dunk my camera. Maybe over here. Maybe over there. All right. That stump would be absolutely amazing to put something on, but there's too much light here. So on a cloudy day, that would have been a perfect spot. Necklaces are always ridiculously difficult. to try and position. I need a pin. How can I do this? Pin this down somehow. Ouch. Oh, damn it. Ouch. Me. Ouch. Oh. It got twisted. Oh. All right. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ah, foot cramp, foot cramp. Yikes. Ah. Oh. That's, well, it helps if you learn how to use your damn camera there, girl. Jeez. All right, so I've decided to call it a day, partly because I have been walking around a little bit more and haven't found any place else that is going to be a good place to shoot. The sun is getting quite high in the sky now, so it's throwing a lot of harsh shadows. So, a little bit disappointed because there's only 2 shots that I like. But that's how it goes sometimes. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this little bit of a behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.